Hi, you are welcome to GMats class. Now let's solve the following problem under linear inequalities. Now represent the following inequalities on a number line. Now the first question we have here is x greater than 3. So how do we represent this on a number line? Now let's draw the number line. It's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 1, so on. These are values of x. Now, x is greater than 3. So this is position of 3. So you draw an open circle. Now, values that are greater than 3, they are 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. So that means your arrow will face this direction to indicate that values that are greater than 3, they are at the right hand side. So we have x is greater than 3. Alright, please take note, is an open circle. For strictly greater than is an open circle. Alright, now let's look at the second one. We have x is less than minus 2.5. Now we want to represent this on number line. So let's draw the number line. We have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So we have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Now the first thing is to locate the point minus 2.5. Now minus 2.5 is going to be around this place. Minus 2.5 will be around this place. So you bring this up with an open circle. Alright, so x is less than minus 2.5. So minus 2.5, values that are less than minus 2.5, they are minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, and so on. So you do your arrow to this direction and you write x is less than minus 2.5. Minus 2.5. Okay, so this is the graph of x is less than minus 2.5. And don't forget that you need to label. So this is the values of x. Now let's look at the third one. You have x is greater than or equals to 5. Alright, so our number line, we have is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are values of x, so we must label minus 1, minus 2, and so on. Alright, this is 0.5. Alright, now we can see this one is not strictly greater than, is greater than or equals to. So we must shade the circle here. And that means that 5 is also inclusive. Values that are greater than or equals to 5. So that means we start from 5 and so on. So values that are greater than 5, they're in this direction. And shading this circle means that 5 is also inclusive. So this is the graph of x greater than or equals to 5. Alright, don't forget, once we have equality sign, you shade the circle. Unlike this one, this is not shaded because we don't have equality here. So it's strictly less than. And let's look at the last one. We have 2x minus 3 less than or equals to 3x minus 1. Now, you can see this, we need to simplify this. So we collect the like terms. We have 2x. This one comes to this side, becomes minus 3x. Okay, so less than or equals to, we have minus 1 here, minus 1. So this moves to this other side. The sign changes once it's crossing this bridge. So we have plus 3. Okay, so 2x minus 3x. I have 2 naira and I have a debt of 3 naira. So if I pay the 2 naira, I'll be left with a debt of 1 naira. So this is minus x. It means debt of x. So it's less than or equals to 2. It's less than or equals to 2. Alright, now so I can't leave my answer this way because we have a negative here. So you can multiply both sides of the inequality by minus 1. And whenever you are multiplying both sides of an inequality with a negative number, or you are dividing both sides by a negative number, the sign changes. So minus x times minus 1 is greater than or equals to 2 times minus 1. So now this gives us minus times minus is plus. X times 1 is x. Is greater than or equals to minus 2. Okay, so we can now draw the number line. So we have 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2. Alright, so minus 2 is here, so you bring it up. We are going to shade this place because of the equality. So we shade here, and our values that are greater than or equals to 2, they are in this direction. So my arrow will go this way. So these are numbers that are greater than minus 2. So we have x is greater than or equals to minus 2. So, and we label x. Alright, so this is the solution to the problem. I want to believe you have gained 1 or 2 things. So if you have any comments as regarding what we have done today, now don't hesitate to drop your comment on the comment section. Ensure you like and subscribe to this page. Thanks and God bless.